Are you all set to work on today? You grab your stickers and lay them out one by one, writing on them as you would like, and then lo and behold, ah, there's a smudge. That is not how you want it to start today, is it? Well, what if I told you it was meant to? Not smudge, but meant to be cleaned. You've got two options. You can write on it, which I'm using the Sarasa Dry in 4, so it's like a fine. I do find that it's easier to write on these with a gel ballpoint marker, like a Sharpie fine, or if you have a fine nibbed Tombow or anything like that, any type of marker like that. It works beautifully on these. They're nice, crisp, and clear. But this vinyl has been treated so that the ink does not absorb or dry. Why would I do that? Well, I'm trying to help more than just one planner. I'm trying to reach more than just one planner. So in doing this, this vinyl allows you to create an eraser board, I guess you could say, in your planner. Let me show you what I mean. Now I've already set up this one, and it is in my layout progress report book, I guess you could say, for the business. In here, I've laid out 2 different setups. One, an option for you to use it just as an eraser board. Number 2, so that you can use it to create a look. And you don't have to use it as an eraser board, but you don't want to leave a sticker behind. I understand that. I have pulled off of the No Crying Over Quilled Coffee sampler that was handed out at the DC Pen Show. All 3 of these sticker sets were handed out at the DC Pen Show. This is the same vinyl material as the one I just showed you, and I'm going to write on here. So here, I can go ahead and write a list. What if things changed? And when I set this up, I finished what I had listed below, and now I've got something new to do. Well, what you want to do is take a paper towel. I have a leftover salon towel from when I had my shop, and I have a spray bottle of water. If you don't have a spray bottle of water somewhere around the house, I'm going to be kind of surprised. And then I am just going in little tiny circles around, moving my finger to a different part of the towel, and now it's dry. You can see, now if you overdo it, you will spread the ink a little bit farther around. You can use things to clean that up, but it's fine. But if you are used to using a fountain pen, pens that don't dry quickly, have your blotting board. Set it over top. It won't disturb the sticker and it won't imprint on your hand. Another way to use it, I want to show you what I've done. So this is my list. I was overzealous on wiping it off because I'm creating a video, but I was able to wipe it off, dry it off, and rewrite exactly what I said. You can leave it like that, and let me show you over paper. It does not transfer. But this has been blotted, so any excess ink is off. From there, you can, now I'm not going to set my hand on it unless you absolutely necessarily need me to. Okay, fine, I'll set my hand on it. Okay, So it has settled, but I can still smear it, and I'm not going to smear it. I don't want to rewrite that again. But what you can do is take a box, and if you don't want to have to deal with the eraser aspect of it, but you still want to, make something cute. This all came from the Farty's Whiff of Whimsy sticker set in the DC Pin Show giveaway. And here it is. I've got my today, my to do. Today I need to do this. My to dos of that is I need to make sure that my Libre is done, my Quick Sync is done, check Etsy, and then I need to email the staff that Etsy is up and going, which it is. But there are multiple different ways that you can use these. And I'm trying to reach out and help out, I guess you could say, all of the planners that are out there. Maybe you want to do Dutch doors. Well, on your main page, you can have your eraser board and then have your Dutch doors underneath, and you'll start with today, make your list. As you check it off, you'll turn the page, change your eraser board for that day. Get that done. Turn the page, change your eraser board. And I'm hoping that this helps to bridge a few gaps. It's just one type of sticker, but maybe it will help you out. Maybe you're not a big sticker person, but you like the availability of being able to change your mind. Appointments change all the time. Things get rescheduled all the time. Maybe you'll like this. Check out our shop at RebzDoodlz.com. This is the Steampunk Planner. Thank you for joining me.